Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today, I am going to be unboxing the brand new Dell Pro wireless ANC headset, the WL5024. Now, if you saw my video from a few weeks ago where we talked about the WL3024, which was our brand new Dell wireless headset, this is the Pro series, aka 5000 series, where you are going to see the AI noise cancellation plus active noise canceling technologies. So let's jump in. So I've got the headset over here right off the bat. From a packaging standpoint, definitely gives you that premium professional feel there, right? When you see the WL5024, reliable performance, compatible with Teams and Zoom. And then when you look at the back side, you do see a quick guide on the buttons, how they function. And let's jump into the unboxing over here. Let's pull the seal. And voila, sweet. Oh, man. Oh, this is so awesome. I love the fact that it's a discrete boom mic that can be tucked away. Look at the size of the memory foam leatherette ear cushions. The designers really did an incredible job with the headset itself. So you will see some buttons right off the top. We'll take a look at Dell Peripheral Manager later on, and we'll go through that. Let's see what else is in the box. Put that down there. Charging cable. USB Type-C is braided. Gives you a pretty premium feel. Take a look at the dongles. USB Type-C, and it does come with a Type A adapter if you did need to connect that way. Quick start guide, warranty, safety, regulatory information. Down. Let's take a look, see if there's anything in here. And there is. This awesome carrying case. It just feels so soft. Dell branded, which is great to see. I'll put this. Alrighty. So you've got the headset over here, as I mentioned. Little boom mic that moves away very, very swiftly. Oh, feels awesome. You can already tell that the ANC is going to be awesome, just the way how it sits. Again, I love this discrete boom mic that you can move up and down. Now, if you wanted to do some comparisons to the two wireless headsets that we just recently launched, over here is the WL3024 and over here is the WL5024, what you're actually watching from a video standpoint. Now, you'll see that the WL3024, you look at the boom mic, the way how it works, move it up and down. You look at the size of the ear cushions, and then you compare that and contrast it to the 5000 series. So you'll see definitely a lot bigger. And then obviously the innovation on that boom mic. So from a headset perspective, you will see battery life of up to 78 hours, which is incredible. You are going to see Bluetooth connectivity as well as the RF dongle. It can connect up to 8 devices, 2 of them simultaneously. So if you think about your notebook, think about a cell phone, you're able to connect both and go back and forth essentially. One of the cool things that we've certainly talked about with our headset line is the use of AI technology, especially when it comes to noise cancellation. So essentially the headset's going to identify the sound, filter it out, and ensure that you can be heard clearly on the other end. When it comes to the active noise cancellation technology, there's multiple mics, the internal, external mic, that's going to really cancel out some of that noise. So basically will give you the ability for an optimal level of noise cancellation and truly that ability to focus so you can enjoy clear, uninterrupted audio for really the work and even entertainment. So a ton of kind of innovation packed into it. So let's go ahead, plug it into a system, and we'll be back showing you Dell Peripheral Manager.
So I got the headset charged, plugged it in for about 15 minutes. It's going to give me about 8 hours of listening time, which is fantastic. So if you are in a pinch midday, you run out of battery, don't worry, you'll be up and running in no time. About 15 minutes there. So on screen, I've got the Dell Peripheral Manager. You're going to see once it does load, it's talking about the headset, how to turn it on and how to pair it. It also brings up the USB-A, USB-C dongle. Let's click next. I'll talk about the boom mic itself, lifting up and down. It actually has the status light indicator over here. So if you are in a Teams or Zoom meeting, it's going to go red. Hey, that means don't disturb me. And then I'll reset when you're outside of that meeting. Let's click next. So there's multiple buttons when you think about the headset itself. So for Microsoft Teams, your mic mute, turning on and off the ANC, your power buttons, your volume up, volume down, play, pick up, and hang up buttons. So a lot of control right at your fingertips. So Dell Peripheral Manager really is the secret sauce to our intelligent peripherals. So on screen, you're going to see some information about your connectivity, right? If it's got 2 Bluetooth devices already paired, you'd see the information there. In my scenario, I've actually plugged in the RF dongle. You'll get a quick look at battery life. So what you're going to see on screen is the audio settings. So the ANC definitely unique to the WL5024 as well as the wired headset, the WH5024. Transparency is all about the ambient sound to be heard. And then you'll have a little slider to adjust, hey, do I want the volume level to be 1 or 5? So it's just really a personal preference. And then you can turn it off. In my scenario, I want the active noise canceling technology on to really give you that optimal listening experience. Then from an audio mode perspective, you can set up collaboration mode or multimedia. Collaboration, you're going to see the mic noise cancellation, removing that background noise. Sidetone, adjust how much you can hear your voice while you're speaking. And then multimedia, you can set different modes, bass boost, speech boost, treble boost, or custom. You can adjust a full-blown EQ. Automated actions, right? So wear detection, putting your headset on and off while a call is coming in, it'll kind of action that accordingly. Pause your music, right? Music will automatically pause when the headset is removed. Music will automatically resume when the headset is put back on. And then mute microphone, right? When you think about the mic will automatically mute when the headset is removed. So some additional customization right at your fingertips. And then device settings, right? I talked about the busy light indicator and then the voice guidance. So a ton of intelligence built into the new Dell Pro wireless ANC headset, the WL5024. So for audio testing purposes, I've got a pretty noisy video playing on my phone. It's lawnmower effects. So if you're working in an environment, and what I actually wanted to test out is that mic noise cancellation technology using that AI capabilities just to show kind of the audience here what that actually sounds like on an actual call. So hopefully for purposes of the video, you're not hearing the lawnmower sound that is going full blast on my phone here. And now showing that same clip with the lawnmower sound in the background, but noise cancellation technology off, you can probably hear the lawnmower sound now. Again, toggling the mic noise cancellation technology, my voice is going to be identified along with the background sound, and it's going to be filtered accordingly to provide that optimal listening experience for those on the other end.
So we'll be coming to market with a headset stand that you'll be able to charge the device in. There are pogo pins over here, so stay tuned, keep an eye out. It should be launching fairly soon. So with that, there you had it. This was the Dell Pro wireless ANC headset, the WL5024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.